Hey, if you're over 40 and tired all the time, even when you're doing everything right, it's not a motivation problem, and it's not just age catching up with you. What changed isn't your discipline, it's how your body responds. And once you understand that, fixing low energy after 40 becomes much simpler. There's one mistake almost everyone makes after 40 that actually makes fatigue worse. And I'll explain that in a moment, because it's probably something you're doing without realizing it. Most health advice was built for younger bodies that can push through tiredness, recover quickly, and borrow energy from tomorrow without consequences. After 40, your biology plays by different rules, and that's exactly what we need to understand today. Here's what being tired after 40 actually feels like. You wake up already behind. Sleep doesn't feel refreshing. Coffee helps for an hour or two, and then suddenly, usually midday, it's like someone pulled the plug. You feel foggy, less patient, less productive. And the frustrating part is that you might still be trying to eat better, move more, and stay consistent. But what worked in your 30s just doesn't work anymore. That's because fatigue after 40 isn't random. It's layered. And it usually comes from a few hidden causes stacking on top of each other. The first hidden reason is sleep quality, not sleep quantity. After 40, sleep naturally becomes lighter and more fragmented. You might be in bed for 7 or 8 hours, but if you're waking up multiple times, snoring, scrolling late at night, or going to bed at inconsistent times, your brain may never spend enough time in deep, restorative sleep. That's why you can wake up on time and still feel exhausted. Small changes like consistent bed and wake times, a cool dark room, and shutting down screens an hour before bed can dramatically improve how restored you feel in the morning. The second hidden reason is blood sugar instability. Many energy crashes aren't about sleep at all. They're about how your body handles fuel. After 40, insulin sensitivity often declines, meaning energy spikes and crashes become more common. Skipping meals, relying on coffee, or eating carb-heavy breakfasts can set you up for a hard afternoon crash. When meals include enough protein, fiber, and healthy fats, energy becomes steadier instead of swinging up and down all day. The third hidden reason is chronic low-grade stress. This is the mistake almost everyone makes. When energy drops, people add more stimulation, more caffeine, more intensity, more pressure to push through. But after 40, constant stress keeps your nervous system in a go state, making it harder for the body to recharge. Over time, this drains energy rather than creating it. Gentle movement, daily walking, breathing breaks, and recovery days aren't luxuries anymore. They're energy strategies. The fourth hidden reason is gradual muscle loss. Muscle isn't just about strength or appearance. It's metabolically active tissue that helps regulate blood sugar and energy. After 40, muscle mass slowly declines unless it's intentionally supported. Less muscle means your body becomes less efficient at producing and using energy. Simple resistance training a few times per week, even at low intensity, can significantly improve how energized you feel day to day. The fifth hidden reason is changes in cellular energy production and nutrient status. As we age, our cells become less efficient at turning nutrients into usable energy. Absorption of certain vitamins and minerals can decline, and demands on the nervous system increase. This doesn't mean something is wrong. It means the body may need more targeted support than it did before. For many people, this is where specific nutrients that support energy metabolism, stress resilience, and sleep quality can help fill age-related gaps. Now, a quick but important note, this isn't medical diagnosis. If you have sudden, severe, or unexplained fatigue, you should always speak with a healthcare professional. What we're talking about here is the very common, gradual energy decline many adults experience after 40. So what actually works after 40? First, daily habits that reduce energy leaks instead of adding more demands. Consistent sleep timing, morning light exposure, gentle movement instead of constant intensity. When the nervous system feels safe, energy production improves. Second, nutrition that stabilizes energy instead of stressing the system. Regular meals with protein, fewer extreme highs and lows, fueling to prevent crashes instead of reacting to them. And third, for many people, food alone isn't enough anymore. Thoughtful, targeted nutritional support, used responsibly, can help the body adapt to this stage of life without relying on stimulants or quick fixes. If this sounds familiar, comment yes. Many people over 40 experience this exact pattern, and awareness is often the first step to real change. The big shift after 40 is this: your body prioritizes stability over speed. It's not trying to sabotage you, it's trying to protect you. When you stop fighting fatigue with more stimulation and start supporting sleep, blood sugar, recovery, and nutrient needs, energy stops feeling like a roller coaster and starts feeling calm and reliable again. So remember this: after 40, being tired all the time isn't about effort, it's about alignment. Avoid the common mistakes, support your body properly, and focus on what actually works now. This is exactly what we focus on at Nutrizlab. Subscribe for videos like this, and visit www.nutrizlab.com for deeper guides and honest product reviews.